Alright, so I'm going to be quickly showing how to remove and replace the DC jack or charge port on this DELL Inspiron 13 5378 2-in-1. Right, so first thing, obviously you want to remove the bottom cover. If you're not sure how to do that, I do have a video showing that. But this video I'm just going to focus on the charge port. So what we're going to do, let's zoom in here. So here you have the charge port. As you can see, it's covered by this hinge, as well as there's a screw holding it in here. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove these two screws holding the hinge down. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. The way you would normally do this is you would actually remove the entire motherboard or logic board, but I'm going to show you how to do it a quick way. Okay, so after you remove those two screws, you also want to remove this screw here. Okay, so give me a second. Alright, sorry about that. Let's continue. So after removing those two screws and the one from there, what we're going to do, we're going to open the laptop slightly. You don't want to open it too far. Just open it a bit. So now when you when you open it, when you let it down, you can see it holds that hinge up, right? We do need to we also need to disconnect this. So push that out. Okay. Alright. And once you've done that, oh, actually to give it a little bit extra room, we'll take this screw out as well. That should give it a little extra room. Okay, so we're going to open up the laptop again, slowly lower it down. Okay, and you can see now the hinge is like that. So the thing, it comes up like this, so you can get your fingernail or a thin tool in here, and you got to lift this side up just like this. Okay, and then it's a little bit tricky, but you got to lift it and you got to work it out. Okay, so lift it up like that. Okay, and we got to raise it past that plastic piece that's hanging out there. And once you get it past there, we can get it out. So I'm going to open the laptop again, and then while the screen is kind of going down, it makes it a little bit easier. Oops, sorry. And you can go ahead and lift this and pull this out. Give me a second, I have someone outside calling me. But there you go, you can wiggle that. So you can see as I wiggle this, we can pull that, and it's coming out. And there we go. Alright, so we got that out. We're going to get the new one, but give me a second, I'll be back. Alright, so let's go ahead and install the new charge port. So with the new charge port, you want to make sure that when you plug it in, that the red is going towards the connectors here, and the black is going towards the outside of the computer. So same thing, you want to make sure this is opened up. We're going to go ahead and go in at an angle like this. It's going to be a little tricky. We got to kind of wedge it in, work it, kind of wiggle it. Okay. It's a little bit tough, and let's see here, come on. Got to start in from this side. Let's see, is it going to go? Pull up the back tail end and work that in, and there we go. Okay, so now that we got that in, we're going to go ahead and put this screw there. And what you want to do is you want to take your charger, okay, and you want to plug the charger into this. Once you do that, you can see how it wobbles. We didn't tighten the screw all the way. We're going to now pull this charger back, so that way this is as close as possible. And then while you're doing that, you can go ahead and tighten this screw down. Okay, once you get that screw tightened down, you can go ahead and pull the charge port out, just like that. We're going to push this back down. All right, we're going to get all these three screws back in. So we got this screw here. All right, make sure it's nice and tight. We got this screw down here. And the last screw here. Okay, and then to get the charge port plugged in, you want to bend this wire this way, then rotate it this way, okay, so that this piece of paper part goes like this. And then again, make sure the red is going towards the cables over here and the black is going towards the outside. Once you get that lined up, make sure it goes in evenly, pinch the two pieces together just like that, and there we go. There you have it. All that's left to do is obviously put the bottom cover back on. It's a little bit dusty. I'm going to clean that up. This isn't going to be part of the video because I'm just showing how to replace the charge port. If you want to see how to take the bottom cover off and everything, I have another video for that. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.